In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable tool groups on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select versus Preferences. On the left side, you want to select underneath Interface versus Toolbox. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right side, there should be something that says Use Tool Groups. Either check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference. And then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.